On a bright and sunny day in the countryside, farmers are hard at work in the vast, sprawling fields. The fields stretch out as far as the eye can see, merging seamlessly with the horizon. The green of the crops meets the blue of the sky, creating a stunning display of nature's beauty. A gentle wind blows across the fields, making the plants move like waves in the ocean. It's a peaceful and calming sight, a scene that feels timeless and eternal. In one part of the big field, a group of women is harvesting rice. They use small curved knives called sickles to cut the rice plants. The women move smoothly and skillfully, almost like they are dancing. They have done this work for many years, so they know exactly what to do. They wear simple clothes and wide-brimmed hats to protect themselves from the hot sun. As they work, they talk quietly and sometimes laugh. Their voices create a gentle background sound, showing their friendship and teamwork. Each rice plant they cut is a result of their hard work and care. The women work in perfect harmony. Their hands move swiftly through the golden stalks, cutting and gathering the rice with practiced ease. They bend and straighten in a rhythmic motion, their movements almost like a well-rehearsed dance. The sun shines brightly above, casting long shadows that move with them. Despite the heat, the women remain focused and determined. They know that every stalk they harvest is important, and they take pride in their work. Not far from the women, a group of young men is carrying heavy bundles of rice. They have strong, muscular bodies that shine with sweat under the noon sun. But they are not tired. They are full of energy and determination. They walk with purpose, lifting the bundles onto their shoulders easily. They carry the rice to the storage area. The air is filled with their happy chatter and occasional shouts. Their laughter mixes with the sound of the wind moving through the crops. This lively atmosphere is a sharp contrast to the otherwise peaceful surroundings. The young men work together, helping each other lift and carry the heavy bundles. They share jokes and stories, their voices loud and cheerful. Their camaraderie is evident in their interactions, as they encourage and support one another. They move with a sense of purpose, knowing that their hard work is essential for the community. The storage area gradually fills with bundles of rice, a visible testament to their effort and strength. At the edges of the field, children play joyfully. Their laughter sounds like a beautiful song. They chase each other through the tall grass, their small feet hardly making a sound. Sometimes they stop to watch the adults at work. Their eyes are wide with curiosity and admiration. Some of the older children pretend to cut rice or carry bundles, just like their parents. Their play is a mix of imagination and reality, filled with the innocence and energy of youth. The children's games are full of creativity and joy. They make up stories and roles, pretending to be farmers, animals, or even the wind that blows through the fields. They run and jump, their movements full of life and freedom. Occasionally, a child will bring a small bundle of rice to their parents, imitating the actions they see. The adults smile at these gestures, appreciating the children's enthusiasm and the way they learn through play. In a nearby meadow, buffaloes graze peacefully. These large, gentle animals move slowly through the grass. They have dark coats and large, expressive eyes. Buffaloes are very important to the farmers. They help plow the fields and carry heavy loads. The farmers depend on their strength and endurance. As the buffaloes eat the green grass, their tails flick lazily to swat away flies. They seem almost unaware of the busy activity around them. The buffaloes add a sense of calm to the scene, their slow movements balancing the humans' bustling energy. The buffaloes are a vital part of rural life. They work alongside the farmers. their strong bodies capable of pulling heavy plows through the fields. In the evening, after a day of hard work, the buffaloes are allowed to roam and graze freely. They enjoy the cool grass and the gentle breeze. The farmers treat them with care and respect, knowing that their partnership with these animals is essential for their livelihood. The sight of the buffaloes grazing peacefully adds a touch of tranquility to the bustling fields. Above, the sky is a brilliant shade of blue, with a few fluffy white clouds. Birds fly gracefully through the air, singing cheerful songs. They swoop and dive, sometimes resting on a scarecrow or a tall stalk of rice before flying off again. Their presence adds life to the sky, reminding everyone of the freedom and beauty of nature. The birds are a constant presence in the fields. They sing and chatter, their songs a cheerful accompaniment to the work below. Sometimes, a bird will perch on a scarecrow, its small body contrasting with the lifelike figure. The scarecrows stand guard over the fields, their purpose to scare away pests that might harm the crops. The birds, however, are welcome visitors. Their presence is a reminder of the balance between human activity and the natural world. As the sun climbs higher in the sky, its rays become more intense, casting a warm, golden glow over the entire landscape. The wind continues to blow gently, providing a refreshing break from the heat. The farmers take short breaks, wiping their brows and drinking water before returning to their tasks with renewed energy. Despite the hard work and the hot sun, there is a sense of fulfillment and pride in their labor. Harvest season is a time of both hard work and celebration. It is the result of months of effort and careful tending to the crops. The farmers' work is physically demanding, but they are used to it. They have been doing this for years, and their bodies are strong and resilient. They work with a sense of purpose, knowing that their efforts are vital for their families and their community. The harvest is a time of joy and satisfaction, a chance to see the fruits of their labor. As they work, they talk and laugh, sharing stories and news. Their conversations are filled with warmth and humor, a reflection of their strong bonds and shared experiences. The scene is a vivid picture of rural life, rich in tradition and community spirit. The harmony between the people, the animals, and the land is clear in every detail. The endless rows of crops, the diligent farmers, the playful children, the grazing buffaloes, and the soaring birds all come together to create a picture of life that is simple yet deeply connected to nature. It is a scene that speaks of continuity and endurance, of the timeless rhythms of the natural world. In the late afternoon, as the sun begins to set, the sky is painted with beautiful colors of orange, pink, and purple. The farmers start to gather their tools and prepare to head home. Their day's work is finally done. They walk back to their villages in groups, chatting and laughing, their faces tired but happy. The children follow, their games ending as they look forward to the evening meal and the stories of the day's adventures. The walk back to the village is a time of relaxation and reflection. The farmers talk about their day, sharing their successes and challenges. The children, full of energy, run ahead or lag behind, exploring the path and playing games. The setting sun casts a warm glow over everything, creating a peaceful and beautiful end to the day. The village comes into view, a cluster of simple houses surrounded by gardens and fields. The sight of home is comforting, a reminder of the close-knit community and the supportive environment they live in. The fields, now quiet and bathed in the soft glow of the setting sun, stand as a testament to the day's labor. The gentle rustling of the wind through the rice plants and the distant calls of birds settling in for the night add a peaceful final touch to the day. It is a scene of enduring beauty and timeless rhythm, a reminder of the close bond between humans and the land they cultivate. As night falls, the stars begin to twinkle in the clear sky, and the fields are bathed in the soft light of the moon. The village is filled with the sounds of evening, the lowing of cattle, the murmur of voices, and the occasional bark of a dog. Inside the homes, families gather around their meals, sharing the stories of their day and planning for the next. The sense of community is strong, and the bonds between the people, the land, and their work are unbreakable. In the quiet of the night, the fields rest, preparing for another day of growth and labor. The cycle of life continues, unbroken and eternal, a beautiful harmony between humans and nature. It is a scene of simplicity and profound connection, a testament to the enduring spirit of rural life. The fields and the village together tell a story of hard work, friendship, and the timeless beauty of living close to the land. Inside the village homes, the evening continues. Families sit together, eating meals prepared with the ingredients they have grown and harvested. They talk about the events of the day, sharing laughs and solving problems. The older members of the family tell stories, passing down knowledge and traditions to the younger generation. The children listen with wide eyes, their imagination sparked by tales of bravery, wisdom, and the natural world around them. As the night deepens, the village slowly quiets down. The lights in the houses go out one by one, and the only sounds are the soft whispers of the wind and the occasional call of a night bird. The stars shine brightly in the clear sky, and the moon casts a gentle light over the fields. The buffaloes sleep peacefully in their pens, and the crops stand tall and silent, bathed in moonlight. It is a time of rest and renewal, a chance for everything to recover and prepare for the new day. In this rural community, life follows a natural rhythm. Each day is a balance of hard work and rest, of community and solitude. The people, the animals, and the land are interconnected, each playing an essential role in the cycle of life. The simplicity of their lives is filled with profound meaning and beauty. The fields, the village, and the people together create a harmonious existence, a testament to the enduring spirit of rural life. The next morning, as the first light of dawn touches the fields, the cycle begins anew. The farmers wake up early, ready to start another day of work. The children wake up too, eager to play and learn. The buffaloes are led out to the fields and the birds begin their songs. The village comes to life once more, a scene of continuous activity and harmony. The endless cycle of rural life continues, a beautiful and timeless rhythm that connects the people to the land and to each other. Countryside. The land and scenery of rural areas, away from towns and cities. Example: the countryside is known for its peaceful atmosphere and natural beauty. Horizon. The line at which the Earth's surface and the sky appear to meet. Example: the fields seemed to stretch endlessly until they merged with the horizon. Seamlessly. Smoothly and continuously, with no apparent gaps or spaces between one part and the next. Example: the green of the crops merges seamlessly with the blue of the sky. Harvesting. The process of gathering mature crops from the fields. Example: the women were busy harvesting rice in the fields. Sickle. A tool with a curved, sharp blade used for cutting crops. Example: each woman used a sickle to cut the rice plants efficiently. Timeless. Not affected by the passage of time or changes in fashion. Example: the scene of the farmers working in the fields felt timeless and eternal. Eternal. Lasting or existing forever, without end. Example: the peaceful and calming sight of the field seemed eternal. Rhythmic. having a strong beat with a pattern to it, marked by a regular rhythm. Example: the women's movements were rhythmic, almost like a well-rehearsed dance. Camaraderie, a spirit of friendly good fellowship and mutual trust among people. Example: the camaraderie among the young men was evident as they worked together. Muscular, having well-developed muscles, strong and fit. Example: the young men had muscular bodies that shone with sweat under the noon sun. Purpose, the reason for which something is done or created, a sense of determination. Example: the young men walked with purpose, lifting the bundles of rice onto their shoulders easily. Curiosity, a strong desire to know or learn something. Example: the children watched the adults at work with wide eyes full of curiosity. Innocence, lack of guile or corruption. Purity. Example: the children's play was filled with the innocence and energy of youth. Endurance, the ability to endure an unpleasant or difficult process or situation without giving way. Example: buffaloes are valued for their strength and endurance, essential for farming tasks. Vital, absolutely necessary or important, essential. Example: the buffaloes are a vital part of rural life, helping with plowing and carrying loads. Tranquility, the quality or state of being tranquil, calm. Example: the sight of the buffaloes grazing peacefully added a touch of tranquility to the fields. Gracefully, in an elegant and smooth manner. Example: birds flew gracefully through the air, adding life to the sky. Cheerful, noticeably happy and optimistic. Example: the birds sang cheerful songs as they swooped and dived in the sky. Bustling, full of energetic and noisy activity. Example: the fields were bustling with the activity of the farmers and the young men. Expressive, effectively conveying thought or feeling. Example: the buffaloes had large, expressive eyes that seemed almost unaware of the busy activity around them.